The satisfaction that we get after finishing our CA exams is incomparable. वो 16-17 days और वो 8-9 days जो होते हैं एग्जाम्स के is really a difficult period for a CA student or a CMA student or CA student, equally difficult for each and every professional student. एंड उसके बाद जो फीलिंग आती है ना जब वो एग्जाम्स खत्म हो जाते हैं, trust me, that is incomparable and can't be defined to anyone. We all have experienced this in our life at some point of time. But after the exam, these are the 4 things which you should focus on so as to build a strong career for yourself. Hi everyone, my name is Sunny Sukhija and I'm on a mission to help CA students or CMA students to launch their career in the professional world by rising from mediocrity to excellence. In this video, I'll be sharing 4 things which a CA student or CMA student should focus on after they are done with their exams. Number 1 is take good rest. I know last 15-16 days were really hard for you and you didn't get enough sleep or didn't get enough peace for yourself. I would want you to take proper rest, go on vacation, calm your mind, work on your physical as well as mental health so as to get rid of all the stress, all the pressure that you had in your mind. Now, after you are done with this aspect, 15-16 days का break ले लो अच्छे से. After you are done with that, focus on to the next thing, which is focus on your studies. Keep in touch with your study. 2 months का time period का gap होता है in giving your exam and declaration of your result. I would want you to be in touch with your studies so that worst case scenario में हमें ऐसा ना लगे कि we have lost touch with the studies and we are now not able to focus on our studies again. हमें अपने माइंड को इस तरह से ट्रेन करना है that we never get lost in touch with studies. Maybe we could refer some summary notes. बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है. Just 2-3 pages a day or 2-3 summaries a day. It will be more than enough for you to be in touch with your studies. Or you could watch some YouTube videos which you used to watch while preparing for your CA exams. This will help you be in continuous touch with your studies and आपको बाद में ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि मैं एकदम से कहाँ से आ गया हूँ, कहाँ से क्या पढ़ रहा हूँ. Number 3 is for all CA intermediate students. मतलब आप अपने CA intermediate exams देकर अब free हो रखे हो. So for all CA intermediate students, I would want you all to research for a good articleship firm, shortlist all the articleship firms, prepare your CV because you have to mention your educational background. That is why I am mentioning it as CV and not resume. Prepare your CV and then go for mock interviews, interview preparation कर लो, टच अप कर लो अपने जो टेक्निकल नॉलेज आपने गेन करी है, थोड़ा सॉफ्ट स्किल्स पे अपना ब्रश अप कर लो. Or you could go for your ICITSS training which is taken by the institute. You should focus on these things so that आपको आपका next road map होता है जो future का after getting the result, it will be clear to you कि आपको कहाँ proceed करना है and it will be easier for you to proceed ahead after getting your results. Number 4 is for all CA final students. CA finalist के एग्जाम होने के बाद I know बहुत खुशी मिलती है but equally हमारे मन में अंदर उतना ही ज़्यादा डाउट होता है कि whether we'll be able to clear this or in this attempt or not. कि हमारा इस अटेम्प्ट में ये ऑडिट का सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा, लॉ का सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा, DT क्लियर हो जाएगा. I know all this anxiety and I can feel all this. I can very well relate to you all. But after getting proper break, you should be in touch with your studies. अपने माइंड को इस तरह से ट्रेन करो कि it should be ready for the worst case scenario. I would pray कि आप सबका एग्जाम क्लियर हो जाए, but you should be ready for otherwise of the result. मतलब कुछ अगर different result आ जाए, you should be ready. You should train your mind in such a situation कि आप दोनों situation के लिए ready हो. So I would recommend you to be in touch with your studies. YouTube videos आप refer कर सकते हो, or you could refer your summary notes which you prepare. Like, do not get indulged into studies all over again. Like, I'm not saying to study for 7-8 hours a day or 10-15 hours a day. That is not recommended from my side. You could do is plan your 2-hour schedule for study and then you could focus on the preparation of your resume or preparation for your interviews, preparation for your technical skills as well as soft skills, and you could get in touch with the seniors and ask them for the advice ki how should you proceed once you are done with the exams, or what would the tactics to follow to get job after clearing your CA final exams. So you can get in touch with your seniors after you are done with your CA final exams. Another bonus tip I would like to give it to you all is, like, if you are not up for doing employment, or if you're not going for job and you want to do your business, even if आपको business नहीं करना है, कुछ और करना है, profession में जाना है या आपको job में भी जाना है, I would want you all to be in touch with your seniors, ask for their experiences, how they are feeling after getting into the corporate world or after opening their professional accountancy firm, chartered accountancy firm, और कैसा रह रहे हैं, starting में क्या क्या difficulties आ सकती हैं. Research about your areas of interest, because that will help you gain more interest on that, gain more understanding on that, and will ease up for you in the future. And do not forget to get inspiration from the people you like the most. कि आपको पता है कि मुझे तो बस इसके जैसा बनना है. Take inspiration from them and start following their path, और जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है उनमें जो क्वालिटी अच्छी लगती है, start following that with your own flavor. Build your brand, build your consistency over social media platforms. You could start with your LinkedIn profile, brand build करो अपना, आपको अपनी visibility दिखानी है कि you are becoming a chartered accountant, आपके पास ये skills हैं, so that everyone should know कि he or she possess a good skill set, or maybe you never know कि आपके पास कौन सी opportunity कब आ जाए. So yes, you need to focus on your brand building as well. In case you have any question, you can reach out to me through comment section below, or you can reach out to me through LinkedIn or Instagram, and do not forget to join our Telegram community, which is for CA students. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that it may benefit them as well. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it right now and hit the bell icon in order to get notification for all the upcoming videos. Thank you.